Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking abstract skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eyes first. So we're going to draw in his brow. So you can just make two slants like this. It's kind of like a semi-mean brow. Alright, so it's very simple, two little slants, and then right underneath it, we're just gonna draw his eyeballs, or his eyes. So we're just gonna draw two lines like that, just two curves, and then we're just gonna come back in, just kind of close it off. It's a little bit flatter on the bottom. So it's very long, and then in there we're gonna draw the eyeballs. So just draw two brackets like this. And then I'm going to try to leave a little bit of highlight if I can with the Sharpie. So I'm drawing two circles in there, and I'm just going to shade around it. Okay, so that's going to be the eye. And so then from here, let's draw in the side of the face just a little bit. We're just drawing two lines like this. And then now we can draw in the cap, the visor over it. So this is going to be right over the eyebrow. Just draw one curve this way, and then we're just gonna draw another curve, almost the same thing. We just come all the way across. Okay, and then from here we can draw in the cap. So we're gonna go up, just kind of flatten it out a little bit on the top, and then let's curve it back down. And let's add in just real quick detail on his cap. Okay, so from here let's draw in the rest of the face. So this part's a little bit tricky. So in the middle here, we can start drawing the mask. So we just draw one curve like this, and then we're gonna draw a slant, just kind of going to the side of the face. So we can close that area up. All right, and then from here, we're gonna come down here, right in the middle. I'm gonna draw in this tip of the mask. And then we're drawing a circle right here. Okay, and then from here, now we're gonna extend this line in, and then we're gonna come down, just have it straight down. Okay, so this is the trickier part because it's in three-dimensional. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line here. We're gonna come out, and then we're gonna draw two lines like this on these corners, same as that. Okay, so two lines here, same as that. And then once we have that, now all we have to do is just kind of connect them. Okay, so we'll just connect them. Just basically making a box. And then once we have this, now we're just gonna come straight down, and then we're just gonna close this off. So we're gonna come down, and we're gonna close it off with the same slant as that. And then let's see, so now we have two boxes on the side. We have to close this one off. So on the bottom, this one's easy. We just draw a curve. And let's add in some detail to the mask right here. We'll just add another curve. And then in here, just give it some outline. So just drawing a little box like that. So we're just following the lines outside, and we're just drawing a smaller box inside. Okay, so that's definitely the trickiest part. So let's finish off the head, and we're just gonna draw his ear right here. Okay, and then now we gotta draw the hoodie. So we're gonna draw the inside of it first. So we just draw one line, just kind of coming down from the corner of the cap, just kind of come down. And then now we're gonna draw the outside curve. So this one's a little bit easier because we just kind of go around it. Let's go all the way around. Go all the way around everything. So once we have that, just kind of come in, just kind of come down, and then we're gonna go back out for the collar. So we're just going straight out in a slant, and then we're just gonna curve this back in. We're gonna draw two like buttons here on each side. And now for the inside here, we just kind of just draw a line and connect that. So from here and just go all the way to the corner. So after that, let's just close the collar off here. For his shirt inside, we just kind of draw a line like that across. And I almost forgot he's got some lettering here, so I'm just gonna draw 2 T's. I won't draw the bubble letter. It's a little too small. Or you can just kind of, whatever, draw your own initials. Okay, so let's move on to the body. So for this one, we just kind of come out to his shoulder. And then we're gonna come down, all the way down to his waist, and we're gonna give this a little bump here. And for this one, we're gonna come down halfway, and then we just kind of bulge it out a little bit. Right, so it's a little bit different. And now we're gonna come in, just kind of right around there. I want to go all the way through because his jacket is open, or his vest. And then from here, just the bottom of the vest, we just draw in one section. So we're just gonna come down with a rectangle. And I'll draw in the line so we know what we're drawing. Okay, and then from here, we need to draw in the strap around his body. So from the corner here, we're just gonna come down. And then from here, we're just gonna draw the other strap. So it's going all the way across. And once we have that, now we can finish up the jacket. So we're just gonna come straight down and just kind of, doesn't have to be all straight, it's just kind of a little bit wobbly, is probably a little bit better. And then we're gonna draw in just for the zipper part, just give it some detail. Just draw another line, so this one's easy. And then we'll give in some details to this vest. Just draw a couple of lines in there. All right, and let's see, we're gonna close it off. So in here is shirt. Just gonna close that off. And then the buckle on the strap, so this one's easy. We're just gonna draw 2 lines. We'll add a little rectangle in there, and then there's some other detail here, so I'm just gonna draw in. So we'll just keep it simple. Okay, so let's move on to his arm, and so we're gonna come down here on the shoulder. Here's his armpit. Gonna come out and in, and since he's wearing a jacket, I'm just gonna give a little bit of bump there for his elbow, and then we're gonna come out, just kind of a little bit of wavy shape. Close it off, and then for the cuff, it's a little rectangle, and it's gonna be the same like that. So we're drawing those lines. And then for his hand, we're gonna come out. Here's his thumb. Curve this down for 1 finger, then another finger. Can't see much of it, and then the third one, we're gonna start from the palm and just kind of pinch it in. All right, so now let's move on to the other arm, and he's gonna be holding his paint roller. So we're gonna start here, come down to his elbow. Here's the armpit. This one's starting off a little bit tighter on his body. And we're gonna draw in the rest of the arm. Again, just kind of wave it out and pinch it back in. Here's the cuff. And then for his hand, his thumb, his palm. Now we're gonna draw 4 fingers. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna draw in the part that he's holding on the paint roller. So it's just gonna be a little rectangle, and then we're gonna close that off. Okay, so before we move on to that, let's draw in his legs first. Okay, so we're gonna come down a little bit lower because he's wearing these low pants. You can draw in just a slant like this. And now we're gonna come down on the side for his legs. So we're gonna start here, and then his knee, we just draw a bracket like that. And then let's move on to the other side before we go down anymore. Out, in, again his knee. All right, so now we can draw in his lower leg. So it's got pretty tight pants down here, so we're just gonna go out, in, and then we're gonna give it a little bit of waviness to it. It's got some folds. So close that off. Okay, dome shape, close that and a little bit so. Okay, and then on the other side it's gonna be the same. We're gonna go out and come in. A little bit of waviness all the way down. Close that off. Dome shape, close it, so. And let's add in a little bit more detail on his pants. We can add in another fold here, and it's got a big zipper there coming down, so we can draw that too. And then he's got the pocket here. So this one's easy, just a little rectangle. And let's even add in, it's got a little zipper thing going on there. Okay, so this is just small detail, very easy to do. All right, so now let's draw the paint roller, and so let's draw the top part first. So we're gonna continue this. Let's draw another rectangle there, and then we're gonna flare this out. Slightly bigger. Close it. And then now we're gonna start on this side here. We're just gonna curve. And then we can draw this one, curve. We can just close that off. We add a little bit detail. And now we just draw in, actually it might be easier, just go ahead and draw a line up here. Okay, so it's like a T shape. We just draw the rectangle here for the roller. And then some detail here, 2 smaller ones. And then once we have that, now all we have to do is just kind of connect these. So we can go out, come down, and just kind of connect that. So now we're just giving this line some thickness. We're just gonna go out, connect that. Okay, so that's the paint roller, and for the handle it's gonna be easy. So down here we'll just extend it, make it a little bit bigger. And then now we're just gonna come straight down. And then let's see, come down here. I think there's some detail, but we'll just skip it for now. So this part just kind of come in. You can close it off, and then it's actually hooking back up. So we just draw a line, curve like this. I'm gonna give this some thickness and just gonna go back in. And that is it for this abstract skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.